Tired of hearing vague advice about getting rich? If you're in your 20s and ready to actually build wealth, I've got a game plan for you. No hype, just smart moves that work. Stick around to see how you can start setting yourself up for life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're answering a question on almost everyone's mind in their 20s. How do you actually build wealth? We're breaking down the core money habits and strategies that can make a real difference. So, if you're in your 20s and want to get financially fit, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First things first, if you want to build wealth, you need to keep more of what you make. This means budgeting and knowing where every dollar goes. Take a quick look at your budget. Do you know exactly where your money is going each month? If not, it's time to get that under control. Set up a budgeting app, automate your savings, and treat it like paying a bill, non-negotiable. Imagine if every dollar you saved was a step toward your future freedom. Next up, let's talk about investing. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Think of investing as buying time. Your money grows while you sleep. Consider index funds or ETFs if you're a beginner. They're a simple way to diversify without picking individual stocks. Even $100 a month can make a big difference when compounded over time. Imagine putting just $200 a month in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund starting at age 21. By the time you're 40, you could have close to $150,000 without lifting a finger. That's the power of starting early. Want to speed things up even more? Build a high-income skill, whether it's coding, digital marketing, or design. Pick something that's in demand. Start with free or low-cost resources online. There's no shortage of tutorials out there. Once you've mastered a skill, you can freelance, consult, or even start your own business. Think of it this way: the more valuable your skills, the more you can charge for them. I know a friend who spent 6 months learning web development, and now he's freelancing and making 6 figures. It's all about putting in the time now to reap the rewards later. Let's talk about multiple income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Multiple income sources give you security and help you build wealth faster. Think about side hustles that match your skills or interests, whether it's selling digital products, starting a YouTube channel, or investing in rental properties. Having extra income that grows passively gives you the freedom to explore more opportunities. Imagine having a steady job and a side hustle like selling online courses or digital products. Even just an extra $500 a month invested could mean financial freedom sooner than you think. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about common mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Excessive debt. Avoid taking on debt for things that won't make you money. Student loans and mortgages can be worthwhile, but credit card debt? Stay away. FOMO investing. Avoid chasing hot stocks or investments based on social media hype. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. No emergency fund. Always keep a cushion. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial buffer keeps you on track. Want more practical tips on growing your wealth? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And let's make this interactive. Drop your top financial goal for your 20s in the comments below. Let's share ideas and support each other. Remember, building wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom, options, and setting up your life on your terms. Start today, stay consistent, and by your 30s, you'll be amazed at what you've accomplished. So remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Every small step you take, whether it's budgeting, investing, or networking, will set you up for a life on your own terms. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.